Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I am back today going over how to use the belt squat. So we just got this machine at Afterburn Performance. It's by Atlantis, and I walked in and I was like, how do I use that? I've never used this machine before, so I had to do some learning, some trial and error to figure it out for myself, and I thought it'd be really great to throw together a video for you guys to see how it works. So it's quite the versatile piece of equipment, but today I just went over how to use it for squats, how to use it for rows. There's other things that we can get into later with this belt squat machine. Belt squats are so great. It's really, really good if you have spinal injuries. You can't load the spine holding a barbell with that heavy weight. Don't worry, because nothing's going on your spine. You're just hooking up a belt around your waist, loading the plates on the side, and it's pulling downwards. So really, really great for some injuries for some people. The motion kind of reminds me of a sissy squat machine, how you're sitting back and deep and putting that trust ball into the equipment, which I freaking love. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up and enjoy the video.
All right, so now it's time to put the belt on. So you gotta step into it, make sure it's the right way up, and you're gonna hook the clip into one of the 3 holes. Now, when I first started this, I think I should have gone one clip in closer because I am short. So you'll see how I stop and adjust myself. I take the clip out and I put myself into a little bit closer. So this is a really great feature depending on your height. So I don't know if you just saw there, but once you stand up, it unracks it for you once the tension is on that belt. And I like to keep my hands on the bars like this for the squats. But as I said earlier, you can also work on letting go of those bars over time. So just going over once again, clip yourself in, get your feet set in their position before you stand up to unrack it and perform your squats. Another thing you can do is you can hook on some resistance bands on each side equally if you don't want to actually use plates. Okay, so now I'm grabbing just a regular handle. I'm clipping it into where I would have clipped in the belt. And I'm going to do some rows. So for this one, once I'm looking at it, probably should have clipped it closer to my body to be right on top of the row. So it's quite adjustable that way. I mean, you could also stand completely on the platform and row as well. There's lots of different things that you can do with it.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like I said, just started using this equipment myself, so I have lots of goals for myself on how to get going with it. First of all, I want to be able to squat without holding on. I think that would be badass. And I want to be able to load on lots of weights. The best part about this piece of equipment, it is so good for people who have injuries, spinal injuries. You're not loading a barbell on, squatting with weight, loading the spine. This is loaded from the sides or underneath you. So it's safe that way for shoulder, spine, all that good stuff. Enjoy.